guys, it's your 15 Gold and welcome to my channel where everything that glitters is gold. So today's video is going to be on this new wig that I received from UNice Hair. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. UNice, whatever. But yeah, so I got sent this hair from UNice and this is the box that it came in. Let's just start with the box. So the hair also came with this customer care card with some FAQ, some pictures of other ladies wearing hair from UNice, a cute pair of lashes, and some wig caps. So before I get into the actual details about this hair, I just want to say a disclaimer. This hair did not come colored this way. I actually did the color myself. I'll leave all the product information in the description, and if you guys are interested in the color and want a video on how I did it, I can do that. Just let me know in the comments. So the hair actually came jet black. I'll insert a picture here somewhere on the screen. It came jet black, like black. And yeah, I bleached it, colored it, toned it to this color. And I can definitely say that the hair has held up like really good compared to other units or bundles that I've bleached previously. I'm not a professional, so it is very possible that I could have damaged it really badly, but this hair, like, she's still thick, full. The density is still there. I received this hair. It's advertised as 150, I believe, 150% density, which you can see, like, the hair is definitely very dense. I'm not sure the levels of density, like how that works, 150, 130, but this one is definitely very thick, as you can tell. It is a 13 by 6 inch lace front. So the parting does go all the way back 6 inches, as you can see, hopefully, because I can't see. And then you have the lace all around the perimeter. So I did do a little bit of customization to the lace. The lace does come pre-plucked and with baby hairs, but I just wanted to do a little bit more just to make it look more natural, and it was pretty easy since it already comes like pre-done. It only took me like a few minutes just to do a little bit more plucking in the hairline and the parting and like cutting, because the baby hairs do come kind of long. Just cut the baby hairs a little shorter. Also wanted to say that the lace is tinted. I'm not sure if all of the lace for this particular wig is tinted, but this one did come tinted. I feel like if it was transparent, that's the only problem I had with the wig. If the lace was transparent, I feel like it would have been more of a seamless look against my skin tone, because if you look closely, you can see the color difference in the lace compared to my skin tone. So, but besides that, everything is just like, I can't even do. So I've done, what have I done with this hair so far? I've washed it. Once it's washed, I'll insert pictures, but once it's washed, it's like a natural wet wave kind of look. And then I've also blow dried it. Insert pictures as well. For every hairstyle, I'll insert pictures. Blow dried, it's nice and fluffy and like almost kind of like this, but not as because this has like kind of a wave in it. Curled it with an iron, just like iron loose. Holds a curl great. I feel like that's dense and thick enough to be able to hold the curl very nicely, and I even slept in the curls and the curls held up. And then this is how the curls look, just brushed out, like just brushed out. So yeah. And then I also did straighten one half of the hair, which, yeah, I like how it does. It straightens very nice, very silky texture once it's like flat ironed. So as far as the construction goes, there are combs as well as adjustable straps in the cap. I believe there's, of course, standard 2 combs on either side, then 1 in the front, I believe. No comb in the front, 1 in the middle right here, and then another 1 in the back, and then of course you have the adjustable straps, which I only, as of recently, use adjustable straps just because the combs kind of mess with, like, they can kind of scratch sometimes. So yeah. Oh, this specific hair is 18-inch long, and it's pretty, I would say it's a nice length. I wouldn't say it's like long, but it's a nice length. It's like up there, reaches like right at the under boob. Not sure if you guys can see. When I tell you guys, I'm really impressed at how this hair is held up. It still feels very healthy, feels and looks very healthy, especially compared to how it first came. It was really in a perfect condition when it came, and then after bleaching it, because I literally bleached it, I would say at least 4 times I bleached it, and then I also added hair dye and toner, so a lot has been done to this hair, and it's held up like really great. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair or any other hair from the site, you can use my code MGOLDBBG for a percentage off your purchase, and yeah, save a few coins. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos, and remember to stay gold.